How ductless aircon manufacturers can benefit from smart air conditioning? The ductless air conditioning is gaining roots in U.S. market. More and more U.S. manufacturers are joining hands with foreign OEMs to bring branded products for the U.S. market. The competition is fierce and it is high time for the manufacturer to augment their brands with innovative solutions. Smart thermostats for central systems have already created a huge market. Companies like Nest, Ecobee, Honeywell and many more have already captured a good chunk of the market. The ductless market is also offering smart solutions, but mostly these solutions are offered by appliance OEMs and they are limited to specific brands. In the US, Cello Weigel Incorporated is the pioneer company, offering smart controls for any brand ductless systems. Few smaller companies are also offering these solutions, but their reach is limited to select parts of Europe, Asia, and Latin America. The smart controls in ductless systems are destined to bring control, monitoring, optimization, and autonomy to appliance manufacturers. Such capabilities can be of huge advantage to the industry if the smart controls are brand independent. A partnership between a smart control provider and the ductless manufacturer is a win-win situation for both. The advantages are manifold. Few of them are: better brand loyalty, the connectivity and smartness will add convenience and efficiency to end user. In return, the end user will be more loyal to the brand which will be offering the smartness. Economical after-sales service/support. Smartness has the capability to fetch important consumer data which can result in major improvements in predictive maintenance and service productivity. The customer usage behavior, an appliance running time, time of use, filter usage data etc. will definitely reduce the service time, and associated software will reduce the physical visits. OEMs can also decrease service costs by replacing physical parts with their software counterparts. Low marketing expenditures. Smart solutions have the capability to bring the customer in direct contact with the manufacturers. This always-on connection will bring new opportunities in marketing. The conventional marketing is cash-intensive and opportunities in connected marketing are much more economical than the established marketing practices. More value to end customer. Smart, connected controls can offer superior performance, better customization and greater customer value relative to traditional practices. This will reduce substitution threats and improve industry growth and profitability. Greater sales of heating and cooling appliances. The rampant adoption of smartphone necessitates the OEM to bring out smart appliances. Smart products by Cello are brand independent and OEMs can benefit from them through zero time to market. The adoption of smart technologies is destined to enhance the sale volumes of the OEMs. Find out more at https://www.siloeagle.com/media contact, Dwayne Mack email, dwayne@siloeagle.com article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/maya_john/2565995